Inyunyana izwe ukuthi siyanda isibalo sezisebenzi ezitholakala zinegciwane iCovid-19 ekomkhululayo. Kube nomdonsiswano wokuthi sivalwe isakhiwo esebenzela kuso ukuze sichelwe ngezibulali magciwane. Manje esinye isisebenzi sisesimweni esibucayi esibhedlela emva kokuhlaselwa yiCovid-19.
We are actually in shock about the allegations that we have received that a senior manager in the Department of Public Works insisted that somebody who has a history of pneumonia should come to work and should continue to work. We are appalled by that and we find that to be extremely disturbing.
Umndeni walona owesifazane uSukuthela uyaveva usola umqashi wakhe ngokumenqabela ukuthi asebenzele ekhaya yize azi ukuthi unempilo ebuthakathaka.
There was a time when she did lodge a grievance against one of the managers. It was an issue relating to unfair treatment, discrimination, bullying, etc., sidelining and non-allocation of work.
Umhloli womnyango wezemisebenzi kahulumeni uthi umthetho uyavuma ukuthi izisebenzi zisebenzele emakhaya. Kepha uthe abaqashi abakwazi ukwetheswa icala uma kwenzeka isisebenzi sigula noma sishona.
Any person with a known or disclosed health issue or with comorbidities or any other condition that may place the employee at a high risk of complication or death than any other employee if infected with COVID-19, or they may be above the age of 60 years and therefore is possibly at a higher risk of infection.
Umnyango wezemisebenzi kahulumeni uziphikile lezi nsolo wathi usazophenya.